Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your card to PayPal in 2024 and 2025. If you've got a debit or credit card and need to top up your PayPal balance, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your phone or access it via a web browser on your computer. Once you're logged in with your credentials, head over to the Wallet section. This is where all your payment methods and balances are managed. If you haven't linked your card yet, that's your next move. Tap on Link a Card, or Add a new card, and enter your card details carefully. Think card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Now, once your card is linked, look for the Add Money or Transfer Funds option in your wallet. Select the amount you want to transfer from your card to your PayPal balance. PayPal might ask you to confirm your identity or use a verification code for security, so keep an eye out for that. Hit Confirm, and voila! The funds should appear in your PayPal account almost instantly, depending on your bank's processing time. A quick heads up. There might be fees involved when transferring from a credit card, so check PayPal's current fee structure for 2024 and 2025 to avoid surprises. Also, ensure your card has sufficient funds and is in good standing. If you're using a debit card, this is often the fastest way, but always monitor for any unauthorized transactions. Wrapping this up, transferring money to PayPal is a breeze once you know the steps. It's perfect for online shopping, sending money to friends, or managing your finances on the go. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.